Hey Ryan, what's this?
This is my new pony. My Brodozer. Yamaha YZ426. I just have to get all these stupid fucking Rockstar stickers off. Oh, Jesus. Everyone knows I drink Bang. There it is. Boop. Now it's not ugly. Fire. Cook with me.
Yeah. You can make a fire out of that. The old-fashioned way.
Ye old-fashioned way. Let's see if I can.
You gotta really smack that
You
down.
gotta really fucking want it. Ah! We shouldn't be doing this on concrete. I feel like that's really the issue here. I'm making the ugliest face right there. Don't tempt me with a good time.
One right there.
You know what I'm saying?
Bastard up.
That'll do. Huh?
And we got small ones here too. That's good, alright?
Ryan goes to the hospital. Big Clemmy gets surgery. Did that hurt, Eric? Are you okay? All in a day's work.
I'd be buff if I looked down.
Here, you might ask. This is the secret ingredient. Look at that. Look at that airy, bubbly, puckered butthole. That, my friend, is Polish. That is your yeast. So we're going to take this Polish dough starter and we're going to add it to the water. Okay, Google. Turn the volume down. Like that. Look at that big goofy mess. Get that all up in there. Yeah. Just like that. Yeah, beautiful. A little scrapage. There it is. Perfect. Put that in there. Fill that up with water. Get that soaking. Place spot size. Now we're gonna just mix this until it dissolves. Ideally. And it should break down and become like this cloudy, beautiful mix. Okay, we're getting there. Okay. There we go. So now that it's all whipped up and dissolved, and you can see it's all frothy. Look in there. There we go. Froth. Nice. So that thick, doughy consistency has now been melted down into this guy. We're going to add half the flour. There we go. I'm going to mix that in. Add the salt. Add the other half. Mix it in, mix it in, mix it in, mix it in, mix it in. There it is. Yeah, baby. Franz, you're not cooking, bro. Yeah. a little scraping action, get all that good stuff. Make sure.
Scraper?
Huh? Not yet. This is just mixing. This little guy does a lot of the work for me. Thank God. I love this thing. Look at that. Shaggy. Picture this, we were about Monday. Get it? Shaggy? Whatever. There you go. Do a little bit of scraping. As much out of this thing as I can. Boop, 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 boop. Just like that. That's good. And this little guy. Down like that. Want as much of this in there as you can. Man, this stuff really kicks your butt. I'm beat. Gotta work out. My arms are throbbing. But it's all worth it, you know? It's not much, but it's honest work. And the fun part. Yeah, shaggy, but not now. You feel all the moistness in there coming out. Get all the flour in there coming out. There we go. Folding.
Work that baby.
And folding. Get that flour back in there. Come back. Where are you going? I feel like this is like the Bob Ross of cooking now. With that tone, you know?
I use the scraper to fold it.
Alan, you gotta use your hands, man. That's where the love's
Yeah.
at.
One half is hand, one half is scrape.
Okay, well, yeah, well. Shut up.
You rated this Maximus for this?
Oh yeah, baby.
Dude, I like how we both nutted when the song was playing in the first episode of 2 Weeks Return.
Oh yeah.
I was like, huh?
What? Is that what I did? What? Yeah, dude.
You eat the label with it?
Yes.
You
That's
eat
the
the
best part. That's the restaurant secret.
That's what melts.
So cool if I could get this
Yeah, I
open.
miss Baggy and Ryan from that told me over to watch Twin Peaks. You guys remember?
Was that fun? Was that fun for you?
That
Bagging on me?
Do-rag Doritos.
Mm-hmm.
Some of that shit you can't hire.
Fucking right.
Put it right here. Here.
No, because then it would be the back of his hand. You
That's
wouldn't see
okay.
anything.
Tell him to turn.
What you ought to do is get like a suction cup clamp and put a GoPro above us to get a couple aerial views when I like go from one counter to the other.
This light real quick.
Good angle, right?
Good angle to watch him struggle, yeah.
Fucking hate this part. I would like hire someone just to do this part.
Fucking how meow count.
Huh?
Put a meow count.
Got a minute left?
Minute left.
Hey! Little cheese monster. Little mongler. Little pie filler with cheeser. Yeah, it's cheese. I'm sure they've seen cheese.
Hey, make a little butt cheek on there.
Ryan is the butt cheek.
Pick up the sides and tuck them in. Pick up the sides. And it gets smoother. And it gets smoother. And getting this little air bubble like, ooh, look how smooth that boy is. Wow. Looks like the moon. There it is.
When the moon fills your eye, Ryan,
Like a
big
big,
pizza
big
pie.
old pizza pie.
that's amore.
It's truly amore. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Here we go. Oh yeah. Fire it up.
Take a hits from the bone. Some bro music for you.
Thank you. This is my culture now.
Exhale.
Boom and a boom and a boom. Now. Frogs now.
Hi, bro. I like how it like inflates.
Me too. Whoop.
Hey, pizza.
Pizza.
No more dog, pizza.
Bingo.
Why didn't you do it?
Alright, can't forget this part. A little bit of salt. Season your shit, bros. You don't season your stuff, everything is bland. Season everything individually. You want it nice and soft and fluorescent, translucent, or whatever the word
Sweating.
is. Clear. Trying to
Sweating.
see through it like an old person's skin.
Sweating.
Sweating. How did you know? Can you tell? Am I
Because me and
sweating?
Eric took a foods class in high school.
Oh shit.
Ooh, that smells so good. Smells like Los Alamos. In and out, dude. That's got like a chain in the middle. You just hang the pot on it, right?
Stop putting your things in my way.
It goes on those so they don't get the countertop.
You know what I'm talking about, right?
What do you want to do? Don't do this with cuts on your hands, you will cry.
Things just weaknesses in the body.
That's exactly what I said, isn't it? Fuck. Eating my words, aren't I? God, this hurts.
You're lucky I'm fucking turning these.
First song Molly Jet is like a, I don't know, it's kind of like Tracer.
But I'm already Tracer.
Exactly.
I remember I was playing Tower Unite, and I went into the little, this is the earlier build. I went into a little fucking mini game area, and there was 4 British people as Tracer, and like they were the only people in there when I got in, and one of them fucking zoomed over to me. He's like, I'm already Tracer," and he fucking ran away.
What the fuck?
I was like, I mean, I guess, but there's 3 other ones.
It's hot.
No.
God damn it.
God damn it.
Oh, fuck yeah, hot. Yeah, ow! Fuck! You bitch.
Dude, why do you...
Got me. Oh, fuck yeah,
It
it's hot.
fucking bit you.
It bit me.
What is happening with my body right now?
Put more fire in there.
You're doing it the right way.
It's actually a frozen pizza, that's why it's so
Yeah, this is DiGiorno.
They ain't delivery though.
No, that's for sure.
The Blitza.
Little cheesy guy for Eric. Simple.
Got him.
Oh yeah. There she blows. Cheese is melting, it's boiling. Perfect.
Bob.
Yep.
Oh, it's gonna be a good one for sure.
You see all that cheese bubbling?
Mm-hmm.
Fucking boiling. My knees are on fire. Yeah, wow. This one's actually cooking the cheese well.
Ryan, the pizza's so fucking good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good.
Felipe. There you go. We brought you one.
You on your hand? No. I hope you're fucking like warm in it, you know?
Oh, I
Seems like
can't
a
wait to
baby.
try it.
I can't
I was
wait either.
considering getting it hot too because the fucking cold ground, cold hard ground kills
Yeah.
me.
Yeah. The pots are nice, man, and they're not crazy expensive. You can probably get a used one off like Facebook Marketplace for like nothing.
The new one.